welcome back to my channel. So first things first, what do you think of the new intro? I'm so pleased with it. It's exactly the kind of thing that I asked for. The girl that did my YouTube channel makeover, as you'll see a few things throughout the video that are new, she's called Emma. She was really lovely. She asked me a few questions of what I wanted, the colours, the theme and all that kind of thing. Obviously I went with the tropical sort of vibe, the greens, the golds, everything that's in this video right now. And it just turned out perfectly. I absolutely love it. The reason I wanted to do a bit of a YouTube makeover was, see, I've been doing this, well, over a year now, and with me only having 1 week left in my RAF job and going, I'm not going full-time with YouTube, but with my Tropic business, I'm just sort of starting to launch my nail business, and then obviously I do my videos on here as well. I just thought I would sort of tie everything together, and yeah, I think it's turned out really perfectly. But I would love to hear what you think of it, so leave me a comment down below if you like it too, but I hope you do. So today's video is quite a relaxed one, and just something that I thought I would share with you. Now, this is me laminating my brows by myself for the first time ever. Now, I have had my eyebrows laminated before, professionally, and I really like it. I remember when this trend first started, I saw girls with like these eyebrows and their eyebrows were up like this, and I thought it looked a bit extreme, so I was quite nervous to get this done for the first time. But I actually learned that you can sort of manipulate your eyebrows however you want, so you can have them completely brushed up vertical, or you can brush them a bit more across and have them a bit more subtle, which is what I tend to do. But I have never done them myself, and I had an email from the brand the Eyebrow Queen. You have probably heard of it. I will put their Instagram and I will link it, all the details in the description box down below. But they kindly emailed me and offered to send me a couple of their products to try. Now, I had never tried their products before, and one of the products they sent me was the Pro Lift lamination kit. So they sent me the brow lamination kit, and then they also sent me their brow serum. I haven't used these yet. They're still fresh in their boxes, and I'm going to use them with you today. I might not actually end up using the brow serum because I'm not sure if you use that. Oh yeah, you do use it within this kit anyway. But yeah, I thought I would go through the process with you, because this could either go really well or it could go really, really wrong, and I could end up with my eyebrows like this and look like a crazy person. So I thought it would be quite fun to do together. I hope it's not a disaster, but we shall see. So if you want to see how my eyebrows turn out, then yeah, please keep watching. And also, I have a Tropic pamper that I'm doing for some ladies that I haven't met before. I've obviously met the hostess, but I haven't met any of her friends. So if I have crazy eyebrows tomorrow, that could be interesting. So basically, a little bit about these products. So I'll just read what it says on the back. So the brow serum, it says, is a powerful formula containing peptides combined with proteins, vitamins and nutrients to help condition, strengthen and promote healthier hair growth. Rich in amino acids, the brow serum adds moisture and nourishes hair follicles, which results in less hair loss and fuller, thicker brows. Also suitable for use on lashes. Now, my eyebrows are okay. I mean, I haven't got anything on them at the moment. I've got makeup everywhere else, but I didn't put anything on my brows for this reason. I have had them laminated before, but that was years ago now, so they're very, very faint and pretty a bit patchy. But yeah, it will be interesting because, I mean, my hair, to be honest, my hair grows quite quickly anyway. Like my eyebrow hair, my hair on my head, like it grows quickly. My eyelashes are quite long. But I am interested to use this and see if it has any effect or any change to my eyebrows. So obviously I won't be able to let you know in this video, but I will keep using it and see how I get on. But within the brow serum, I got this 5 ml bottle, and it's a pipette style like that. And then it also came with a double-ended brush like this. It's got like the sort of mascara kind of brush on this end, and then it has the kind of brush that I use to put my Tropic pomade on with on the other end. So that's the applicator to use the eyebrow serum, and it recommends to use this, I think, apply 1 drop morning and night carefully onto the skin at the base of the eyebrow hairs using the fine brush. So yeah, it recommends to use this twice a day, and it is also vegan and cruelty free. So getting into the eyebrow lamination kit, let's get into it and see what's inside. Like I said, this was kindly gifted to me. Oh, I got another brow serum inside the lamination kit. So there's a brow serum. Oh, and then there's applicators and stuff. Oh, Pro Lift. It says what steps are on there. So step 2. Oh, so there's a couple of... Oh, so I think there's like 4 applications in this box. These little sachets that say 1 and 2 on them. So, and there's 4 of them. So I'm guessing I've got 4 applications. Or actually, maybe 2 applications, because I might use 1 for each brow. So maybe 2 applications. And then also inside I have 5 of these applicators. We'll find out what we do with them in a second. And also I've got like 5 of these little eyebrow brushes or eyelash brushes. Oh no, there's 5 of these, just found another one. Also, before I actually get into laminating my brows, I am a little bit nervous about this. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because I could look like a crazy person at the end, but we shall see. But before I get into it, I just wanted to mention as well, if you're interested in picking any of these products up, then they did actually, Eyebrow Queen did launch in Boots on the 16th of June. So you can actually get these in store in Boots now, as well as, of course, online if you want to. But like I said, I'll link everything in the description box down below. So what it says on the brow lamination kit: create lasting, fluffy, brushed up eyebrows with this gentle lamination system. Lift and separate stubborn and downward growing eyebrow hairs into a new desired position with the Pro Lift Up creams, and keep them conditioned daily with the Pro Lift serum. Okay, let's just go for it. So step 1 is apply a very small amount of Pro Lift Up Step 1 cream onto clean eyebrows using a micro brush. Leave for 3 to 7 minutes. Stubborn hairs may require longer, and leave for 9 minutes. So using a micro brush. Now, is that a micro brush or is that a micro brush? Okay, so this is the micro brush. This is a spoolie brush. Learning. Oh, it smells like when you get your brows laminated or your eyelashes like curled. It smells like that. So I have to, what did it say again? Apply a very small amount onto clean brows. Leave, okay, I just got to apply it. So let's go. I'm going to use the viewfinder. I have got a mirror here. Yeah, I'll use this mirror here. Okay, so that is applied, and now I've got to leave it for 3 to 7 minutes. So I will come back to you in probably like 7. I'll probably leave it for the full time. I'll probably leave it for 7 minutes, and then remove product with a cotton bud in an upward motion and brush hairs up. So after 7 minutes, I'll come back to you and I'll do that. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes, so I'm going to remove with a cotton bud, like it tells me, in an upward motion. Oh, get my hair caught. And then it does say to brush your brows upwards. So I'm going to use one of the spoolie brushes and do that. Then next up, now that's removed, apply a small amount of the Pro Lift Up Step 2 cream onto eyebrows using a micro brush. Immediately brush hairs into the desired position using a spoolie brush. Leave 3 to 7 minutes. So it seems quite straightforward, to be honest. Brush it into place how I would like it. So let's, like I said, I don't like them directly up. brushing all of the product off. It's the only thing, isn't it? What do we think? They're looking a bit crazy so far. It's maybe not my desired, but I think when you laminate your brows you can manipulate them and like move your hairs around into what position, so I should be able to move them when it's done. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes, so I'm just going to remove this like it says in an upward motion. Gentle, Charlotte. I'm like this. But yeah, basically I have to just remove this and then apply the brow serum and I'm done. So let's do that. I don't really know why there's a pipette. I think I'll prefer to just dunk my brush into it. I don't know. And then this is supposed to set my brows in place, and then I'm supposed to do this morning and night just to obviously encourage the hair growth of my eyebrows and to keep my eyebrows healthy after having just laminated them. So I'll go and do the other one. And there we go, that is the final product. Now, my first impression is that they are not as like lifted as they usually are when I get them done in a salon. But I can see a difference, and like I said, I like them quite subtle anyway. But I feel like they look like a different colour as well now, unless that's just like red where I've been brushing them a few times and rubbing at them. It's probably that because I've got quite sensitive skin. But yeah, it definitely hasn't dyed them. I think it's just red where I've been rubbing at my eyebrows. But it was super simple to use. They definitely look red, don't they? Yeah, so if you're looking for a really easy, quick, because that was what, like half an hour in total, like with waiting around for like the 7 minutes each time. I think next time I will probably leave them a little bit longer because I feel like they could probably have a little bit more movement in them. So maybe I'd leave them for the 9 minutes that it recommends for like more stubborn hairs, because maybe my eyebrow hair is a bit more stubborn. I didn't realise that before. Yeah, so I'll probably do that next time, leave it for the 9 minutes. Yeah, it's super easy, super quick to use, and can't really go wrong. It does obviously recommend to do a patch test before, like you would do if you're going to a salon to get your eyebrows laminated. But yeah, really quick and easy. I didn't think it was going to be that easy, but yeah, impressed. I like it. And there's so many other, like I just used not even a full sachet of each of these during that, so I've got so many more applications, which is really great in this little box. And that brow serum, like I said, I got sent one, and then one comes in with your brow lamination kit anyway. So yeah, really pleased with that. So thank you so much to the Eyebrow Queen for sending me those. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I was thinking I was gonna have like a crazy after, like where they'd just gone completely up. Instead I have red eyebrows. Laminating your brows at home is not as difficult as I think some people make it look on YouTube. But yeah, I don't know what kits they use and stuff, but the Eyebrow Queen one was definitely simple and straightforward and fuss-free, which is what I like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and obviously don't forget to subscribe as I bring a new video every Sunday. And like I said at the start, I'm just a week away now from leaving the RAF. I've been in the RAF for 13 years nearly, and it's an end of an era. This coming week will be my last week actually in work. I'm officially out at the end of October, but I won't be going to work for the last few months. It's all about my resettlement and getting sorted, ready for being self-employed. So it's so exciting, starting to hit me now. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, because there's so many exciting things coming for me that I would like to take you along with me as well, so I'm not on my own, because it's daunting. And yeah, and I appreciate all the support as I embark on this new chapter. And yeah, just a big thank you from me for your support up to now. I really appreciate it, and yeah, just very grateful and excited about the next chapter. Hope you all have a lovely week, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.